This could be the car for you. The 2018 Honda Odyssey. This vehicle still has fewer than 80,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. You'll feel safe and relaxed on every excursion in this comfortable and stylish Odyssey. Its thoughtful design, advanced smart technology, interior spaciousness and luxury, strong acceleration, and nimble handling make it the ideal family vehicle. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, power passenger seat, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control, third row seat, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, trip computer, power windows. Assure your family's safety and comfort. Drive the Honda Odyssey.